Welcome back to Program Logic and Design. In this section, I'm just going to show you how to debug a program. It's just a bit of a walkthrough of the second one of Chapter 1. To understand how to debug we first need to know what actually debugging is. Debugging is the process of finding and correcting program errors, which is found in step 6 of testing the program. Now, where did it actually originate? Well, where it originated is on page 35 of your textbook. Not really. It is basically originated from the term bug, which was used prior to 1945 to mean trouble with any electrical apparatus. Even during Thomas Edison's life, it meant it as an industrial defect. Now, how did we get to the term debugging? It's kind of associated with the correcting program syntax and logical errors than with any other type of trouble. So, let's debug. Right, you'll have to open up your debug 0102 within Notepad++. If you open it up within Notepad, you're going to see that it all is on one line. At least on Notepad++, it gives you all on separate lines, which is quite helpful. To understand how we're going to debug this program is to understand what the problem is. Now, this problem says that it is a segment, is to describe computing, and the number of miles per gallon you get with your automobile. So we need to go. All right, automatically we can already see what our error is. That should actually be stop. So you change it to stop. We input miles traveled. All right, in the number of miles per gallon you get with an automobile. Okay, so input miles traveled, we need that. Input gallons of gas used. Okay, so we need the miles and the gallon used. Then we're going to set miles per gallon. So, because we're looking for miles per gallon, so that is correct. We need a miles per gallon variable. Okay, those two are the correct spelling. Great. Set, we're using the correct word, set. All right, so how are we going to obtain the calculation of miles per gallon? We need to say miles traveled plus gallons. Miles traveled plus gallons will not give us miles per gallon. Miles traveled divided by gallons would definitely be giving us our miles per traveled. So we're going to be using a divide sign. We've already checked that our variable miles per gallon is correct, and our variable gallons of gas used does that correspond to gallons? No, it does not. So I'm just going to copy that and paste it over that, and therefore we can see those two correlate. Miles traveled correlates and miles per gallon correlates. Hence, our program is debugged.